Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Juan Puma. I'm going to talk about static verbs and dynamic verbs. Explanation. In English, verbs are divided into two types, static and dynamic. Static verbs express emotions, thoughts, states, and positions. They do not indicate action or process. They are generally not used in a continuous form. Some examples are know, like, have, believe, love, remember. Dynamic verbs express action, process, or activity used in the present continuous. Some examples are run, running, eat, eating, speak, speaking, swim, swimming, write, writing, jump, jumping. Sentence examples. Static. She knows the answer. Dynamic. He is running fast. Static. We love music. Dynamic. They are eating pizza. Static. She likes sunny days. Dynamic. The children are jumping on the bed. Static. He has a car. Dynamic. He is riding a leader. Static. I remember her from school. Dynamic. I am talking with my boss. That's all, teacher. Thank you.